Okay, everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So today I would like to present my analysis for this project entitled "A Marxist Analysis of Socialist Class and Oppression in Joker 2019." So in this presentation, I will explain the plot of the movie and using Marxist theory and several scenes for reflects social and inequality, also the oppression in the film. Okay, before discussing the further of the analysis, I would like to briefly explain the plot of Joker. The exposition introduces Arthur Fleck, a poor clown who struggles with mental illness while living in Gotham City. And the rising action begins when Arthur loses his job, experiences social rejection, and becomes emotionally unstable. Also, the climax occurs when Arthur kills Murray Franklin during a live television show and fully transforms into the Joker. And we move to the following action. It shows that riots spreading across Gotham as many people begin supporting Joker. Finally, in the resolution, Arthur completely accepts his identity as the Joker and is placed in a mental institution. Okay, let's move to the theory and concept. In this slide, for this analysis, I use the Marxist perspective. According to Karl Marx and Friedrich Engels, the history of all hitherto existing society is the history of class struggles. So this quotation means that society is divided into different social class, okay, that often experiences inequality and conflict. So in Joker, Arthur Fleck represents the lower class that suffers from oppression and social neglect, while Thomas Wayne here represents the wealthy upper class with power and privilege. Okay, next. So the first evidence shows Arthur losing access to mental health services after the government cuts funding. So Arthur says that, "I just hope my death makes more sense than my life." This scene shows that Arthur receives very little support from society. From a Marxist perspective, it reflects how vulnerable people from the lower class are neglected by social system. Okay. The second evidence is the subway scene, where Arthur is attacked by three wealthy businessmen before he fights back. So this reflects Marx and Engels' idea that the history of all hitherto existing society is the history of class struggles. The scene illustrates conflict between the lower class, represented by Arthur, and the upper class, represented by the businessmen. It also marks the beginning of Arthur's transformation. Okay, so the third evidence is Arthur's appearance on Murray Franklin's talk show. Arthur says that, "You get what you deserve." These statements reflect Arthur's rebellion against society that has marginalized and oppressed him. From a Marxist perspective, these scenes represent the frustration of the lower class towards social inequality. Okay, the last evidence shows that people of Gotham praising Arthur after the riots. From a Marxist perspective, this scene represents collective support from the lower class toward rebellion against the unjust social system. So, to conclude, Joker 2019 reflects social inequality through Marxist perspective, and Arthur represents the marginalized lower class. The film illustrates class struggle and oppression, and finally, it shows that rebellion can emerge as a response to social injustice. So these are the references used in the presentation, including the Communist Manifesto by Karl Marx and Friedrich Engels, Joker 2019, and Louis Tyson's Critical Theory Today. Thank you for your attention.